Have you ever asked yourself, what is the best $100 you've ever spent in your entire life? What was the last thing you spent $100 on? Maybe it was a new pair of shoes, a watch, maybe a subscription to your favorite app. Let me know in the comments what the last $100 you spent was. If you were to invest $100 in an S&P 500 index fund, in 5 years, with a 6% return on that investment accounted for inflation, that $100 would be $133.82. Definitely more than what we started with, but it's only 33 bucks more, and you have to wait 5 years to get there. So what if you took that $100 investment and you put it in Tesla stock 5 years ago? That $100 investment would yield $1,000 in today's money. Nice job. But how do you go from $100 to millions? This $100 is made of 75% cotton, 25% linen. It has a security code and a watermark. Every single day, the US Bureau prints 38 million bills just like this one. You might be thinking to yourself, who cares? It's just money, it's just $100. What is money after all other than a medium of exchange, a store of value? I mean, with $100, you can buy 20 white chocolate mocha ventis at Starbucks, you can buy 1 share of Apple stock, you can buy 50 Mega Million tickets. Once you spend the money, it's gone forever. Wrong. It's not gone forever. That's a choice. It's your choice. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how I took $100 and turned it into a multi-million-dollar business. Let's begin. Invest in yourself. It sounds so simple, but it is. Have you ever heard the expression, if you invest in yourself, you can't go broke? What that basically means is by investing in yourself, you unlock the highest potential return on investment, and the sky is the limit. Five years ago, I was working at a technology startup doing digital marketing, and I wanted to learn more about software development. So I went online and I signed up for something called Team Treehouse. It's an online education platform that allows you to learn software development, design skills, and all these different tools that you can use to launch your own technology company. This online curriculum costs $25 per month. I spent 4 months doing this, spending every single night trying to learn and perfect my skills. After those 4 months and $100 invested, I was able to have the confidence to start my own software company that now does over 7 figures in revenue. Today, I'm the CEO of a global technology and media company with a distributed team that spans over 10 time zones. MySwimPro was named by Apple as the best app of the year. Our app has over 1 million downloads, and I've been able to travel the world sharing our story, how we help swimmers all over the globe improve their performance and health, both in and out of the water. None of this would be possible if I didn't invest that $100 in myself first. Now I know what you're thinking, this is a huge oversimplification, and you're right, it is. But that doesn't change the fact that investing in yourself, whether that's your education, your fitness, your mental health, is the highest return on investment possible. Invest in yourself to help others. Invest in yourself to help take your career, your business, or your life to the next level. Remember, time is the most valuable asset that we possess. Invest it wisely.